Why does your scanner show the P0550 engine code? What does it mean? P0550 is a diagnostic trouble code for power steering pressure sensor circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's computer has detected an issue with the sensor that monitors the pressure in the power steering system or the circuit that connects it. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty power steering pressure sensor, wiring or connector issues, power steering fluid issues, power steering pump problems, steering system problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Nissan and Toyota models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.